Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these stainless steel and Chrysocolla pear earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is wrap our Chrysocolla pendant and attach it to the stainless hoop. So I'm going to do that using 26 gauge stainless steel wire. So I'm going to string on my pendant, and then I'm gently going to push up the wire on either side so that it crisscrosses at the top. And then once I have it crisscrossed, I'm going to take one of those with my pliers and I'm going to make it go straight up. And that's what I'm going to make my coil from. So it's like this, going straight up. And then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to put it right on the wire, making sure that I miss the pendant. I'm going to hold that, and then I'm going to coil this back up the other wire. And I'm just going to coil that around a couple times. And then once I have that, I'm going to clip off the excess wire. So then from here, I'm going to grab it at the top of the coil and I'm going to bend the wire away so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to put my pliers at the top of that angle and I'm going to bend that around, making a loop. And then at this point, I am going to attach this smaller hoop. If I can pick it up. Okay, okay, and then I'm just going to string that on. And then I'm going to hold my wire in the loop. And I'm just going to coil this back around till it touches the bottom coils that I've made. And the stainless steel is kind of difficult to use. You can, if you're having a hard time with your hands, you can take another pair of pliers and wrap that wire around. But that's what you're looking for. And then you're going to cut off the excess wire. And now I'm going to use a 4mm jump ring to attach this to this moon-shaped component. So I'm going to use these pliers to hold this nice and straight. And then to open jump rings, you just want to put pliers on either side of the jump ring, and then you just want to gently twist that open. So then I'm going to attach my hoop to the moon. Then I'm going to take these pliers and just gently twist that jump ring back into place. Then I'm going to take this last jump ring. I'm going to hold it and do the same thing, just gently twist that open. And then I want to attach this component, and then I want to attach these two big hoops. And then once I have everything on, I'm just going to gently twist that back into place. And then from here, I'm going to put my ear wire on. And I'm just going to close that. And there you go. Chrysocolla and hoop earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.